So what's up for today, what's up for today's video, guys? I'm here, guys, and do you want your crossbow to have three arrows, and you literally don't know how to get the enchant? It's easy, guys. I'll teach you how. So first, you need the multi-shot, which makes three arrow at once. Sadly, it cannot work on the arrow. On the arrow, bro, I'm stupid. It cannot work on the bow, but it can work on the crossbows. The second is the quick charge. It's really good. So let's crop it, guys. And you need the anvil for this, guys. Anvil. So how to crop an anvil, guys? You just need three iron blocks and I I think five. I don't know, four iron. Yeah, you were just so if you're gonna enchant, I prepare using quick charge or multi shot. If your aim is bad, if you're doing PvP, multi shot is good because you can, if you're trying to 1v1 a maze player, you can just shoot them with feather falling or something else. Even you don't look, bro, just look it. Bro, this is why multi-shot is actually good, especially if you got